Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, changing the hotspot password regularly helps maintain security of your network by preventing unauthorized access. A strong, unique password is crucial for keeping your personal data safe. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly you have to go to the settings on your device. Well, after that, here you can select Connections menu, and then tap this option, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Well, so now choose the first one, and tap on Password to change it according to your needs. Well, after finishing, click Save button here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.